Ever wondered why one small allergy tablet stops sneezing instantly? When dust or pollen enters your nose, your body releases a chemical called histamine. Histamine binds to H1 receptors and causes sneezing, itching, redness, and a runny nose. That tiny tablet is an antihistamine. It blocks H1 receptors, so histamine can't act. No histamine action means no sneezing. That's the science behind instant allergy relief. For more videos like this, follow to Drug Action Dynamics channel.